Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are making yummy white karahi. So it's really very easy. So just you need a chicken 500 gram and you need yogurt 500 gram, and this is roasted cumin and 2 tablespoons, and this is pepper 1 tablespoon, spices and salt 1 tablespoon, this is garlic paste 2 tablespoon, and mix it and rest it for 2 hours. Okay, our marination is completed, and now you need half cup of oil. We are putting it, and this is our marination that we did it. Okay, now mix it. Okay, so now cook it for 9 minutes, and look, our white rice is going to be done. And this was cream, 1 packet. Okay, it's cooked. Okay, it's perfectly cooked, and this is garnish it with ginger, green chili and coriander leaves. Okay, look at it, it's done, and it's really looking amazing, and I'm really hungry. I want to eat it now. When I'm editing, it's finished. Now I have to make it again, and it's done. It's really amazing recipe, and it's a really easy recipe in 2 minutes. So if you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up.